Professor Harishchandra Singh ji. Sir, Professor Rathod, this is perhaps the right time for the nation to understand the importance of national service, of spending those 12 months.
In fact, when Major General Balan approached me, perhaps we were the first university he approached. And I am very well aware of the motto of NCC, that is unity and discipline. And by profession, I am a teacher educator, a student of education. And we have done quite a lot of work in citizenship education. In this country, if you see the value system of the youth is not at all, I would not say at all, but it's largely, youth is really not disciplined. They are not conscious about their responsibilities and duties towards the society as a citizen. And that's the reason you see that despite many efforts, the traffic in our cities is not regulated. There's so much of dirt everywhere. Youth even find spoiling our railways, writing slogans and doing filthy things. Now, all this requires a training. And somehow, over the period of time, had education succeeded in providing such a discipline to the youth, things would have been different in the country, and our cities, we would have also been compared with the best cities in the world. Now, this has not happened.
Ji.
So, as a teacher, as a professor, and as a student of education, I was always feeling a need for providing some element of, rather a compulsory element of citizenship education. I have myself done NCC, and I find that NCC disciplines you.
Yeah.
It brings in you a national pride. It brings in you a feeling of working together. And if you look at the diversity of the country, unity in diversity has been a dream since independence.
Yes.
And we have been fighting for it and doing all sorts of activities, including education, some courses even on national integration. And despite all that, we find that there are forces which are disintegrated.
Yes.
Now, why has this happened? This has happened only because we have not provided a right direction to our youth. And I find NCC is something which trains you.
Right.
We were talking of compulsory military service in some developed countries. Majority of the countries in Europe and other developed countries, they have a compulsory military service for 2 years for all the youth passing out of their abitur or intermediate or secondary education. Now, I would personally feel, and I would rather be happy that if compulsory military service for our youth is made possible.
Yes.
But this will not happen because of the large number of students and population, and we don't require such a large army. But at the same time, NCC is, if not a complete army training, NCC is definitely a training which trains you in the basics.
Yeah.
It also enables you to understand and appreciate the role of the defense forces.
Absolutely.
And at the same time, it provides you such large opportunities to interact with youth across the country through camps and through national meets, the Republic Day and all those activities, but also prepares a cadre of citizens which is ready and which can be ready at the call of the time.
Absolutely.